Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup tutorial that you can easily create at home, and it's going to be the look that I'm wearing now. So it's a pretty natural makeup look that you can wear around the house. So this makeup look is going to be great if you don't want to wear any foundation but just want to wear a little bit of makeup if you're going to run your errands during the day and you just want to look a little bit put together. So I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look.